Hi, good morning. It's Paul. It is April 15th, 2019, tax day. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market today. We have to go back a couple of days because today's Monday. Okay, so today we have condo, 1091 square feet, 155, 2 stories, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. No pictures. Where I'm going, Antonia. Okay. Up there. Find one with some pictures here. Here is a new Harbor View 2-story condo, 1285 for $199.9. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, garage, 1 story. It's pretty nice. Tile counters, nice and clean. Good deal. All right. This is all today. Here's the highest priced. Over on Edna, 2-story, 3,500 square feet, $675. Nice curb appeal, lots of lawn. Does it have a pool? Yep, it does. Go back to those pictures. Let's just go to the back here real quick and see. Oh, basketball court. Nice backyard, slide, pool, spa. Putting green, big yard. Looks like a casita of some sort. It's interesting colors. What kind of lot size do we have here? Almost a half an acre, 20,000 square feet. Okay. Okay, so yesterday, we had this little 1-story townhome, 125,000. Nice and clean. Refurbished. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Smoke Ranch and Jones. Okay, out there. Let's see what else we got here. Got $1,095,000, 1 story, 4,000 square foot here on Sweetwater Creek. No pictures. 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and a pool. 2016 built. Saturday we have $82,000 condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Over off the Lake Mead. Outside condos. Alright. Lake Mead in Hollywood. Clear over there. Okay, Sunrise Manor area. Okay. Oops. This is the highest priced right here. Oh, we got 2 of them at $1,006,000. One 6,200 square feet, one 4,400 square feet. That's interesting. Same price. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. 2.6 million, huh? Oh, I see, it's out in Lake Las Vegas, okay. Pool spa. And the other one here, not much. Lake Las Vegas again, maybe. Looks like it. No. Back against the hill somewhere. Pretty nice though. So Turtle Head is over on the west side. Okay. And then of course Grand Miramar is Lake Las Vegas, like I said. Okay. Alright, so that's that. So let's go see this. Okay. Lots closed this weekend. So that's 12, 11, 12, 422 in escrow. Sold 240. Well, look at these, have already closed. Probably closed on Friday, got reported. Today, a couple of manufactured homes out of the area. Here's a little 319. There we go. Alright. I don't know why that's lining up like that. I see these are today's. So highest priced one today on Spider Rock. Single family home. Summerlin. Lots of amenities. Looks like a pretty good deal. Wallapai and Desert Inn. 319. Okay, then yesterday, this is recorded, out of the area manufactured home. And we had a little condo on Katy, 688 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Okay. Nice and clean. That's all 12, 12, 12, 12. What was that, Friday? We did. Wow, 125. $185 this weekend. 930,000. 1 story, 4,500 square feet on Belcastro, sold. Nice house. Great. All right. Well, that's it for that. Let me see here. Let's find out what's gone into escrow with pools the last couple of days. Days. 0, 2, 4. 78 properties. Ranging anywhere from 225 to 2.4 million. Interesting. Okay. Well,